Here's how you fix squeaky doors. Some people that's annoying. Doesn't really bother me, but bothers some. Hear that? Okay, we're going to show you how to fix that.
Keep recording.
Take petroleum jelly, like Vaseline. This is like a knockoff brand. Just use a little of that. Knock your pin out one at a time. Don't knock them all out at the same time. You can probably see this is rusted a little bit. That's probably why it's squeaking. Just take a little of your petroleum jelly on your finger. Rub it on your pin. It's better than real grease because, first of all, it's in your house and you don't want real grease in your house. Take a little bit more, rub it down in the hole so you can push it down as you go. Don't have to have a whole lot, just some to push it, make its way to the bottom as you go. Tap it down. Wipe it off. You can see it came out the bottom here. That means we got it all the way through. All your hinges. Take some and rub it on there. Rub it in the hole at the top. Rub it down in there like you're packing a bearing almost. And clean up when you get done. Last one down at the bottom. Smear some on there. Rub some in the hole. We're in the bathroom, so I'll just take a little toilet paper and clean it up when I'm done. Use a paper towel or something. Now, no more squeaky door. See? Nice fix. Easy fix, home remedy. I'll just take and clean that up with a towel and call it good. Trying to make a video and this thing starts bouncing all over the place.
Don't step in that.
I just need to show what tools I need.